Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we're going to be unboxing the ZinqTech ZQS111 Beast. These are portable multimedia stereo speakers. Let's take a look at the box and see what we can find out. They seem to be USB 2.0 powered with a heavy bass, stereo sound. It has a 3.5mm jack, two speakers of 3 watts each, and 4 ohms impedance. These seem to be meant for laptops and desktops as well. That's about all you can tell from the box, so let's open it up and see what we have. A feedback card from ZinqTech. Speakers, they have a black plain wire with the model name on the inline controller, which controls the volume. It has a USB port for power and a 3.5mm jack for the audio. The speakers themselves are fairly nice and compact. Even though this is plastic, they have a nice brush metal feel to it, which gives them a slightly more premium look with the brand and the name on the corner. And that's about it. These are the ZinqTech ZQS111 Beast. Thank you for watching.